Discovering jellyfish. The ocean is home to many fascinating creatures, but few are as mesmerizing and mysterious as the jellyfish. These ethereal beings have been drifting through the world's oceans for over 500 million years, long before the first dinosaurs roamed the Earth. But what makes these gelatinous wonders so captivating? And what secrets lie beneath their translucent bodies? In this video, we'll dive into the world of jellyfish, exploring their biology, behavior, and the critical role they play in our oceans. Introduction to jellyfish. Jellyfish, or medusae, belong to the phylum Cnidaria. They are one of the oldest animals on the planet, dating back over 500 million years, way before the dinosaurs. Despite their simplicity, jellyfish are surprisingly complex creatures, and their unique biology allows them to thrive in nearly every ocean environment. Jellyfish moving in slow motion, showing their bell shape and tentacles. Jellyfish are made up of about 95% water. They have no bones, no brain, no heart, and no eyes. But don't be fooled, this simplicity is part of what makes them so effective in the ocean. Their soft, gelatinous bodies are built for efficiency, allowing them to float effortlessly and move with little effort. Jellyfish anatomy. Let's take a closer look at their anatomy. Jellyfish are primarily composed of three main parts: the bell, the tentacles, and the oral arms. The bell, which is the dome-shaped body, contains the jellyfish's central cavity and is responsible for its pulsating movement. This rhythmic pulse helps propel the jellyfish through the water. Their tentacles are lined with thousands of tiny, specialized cells called cnidocytes, which contain stinging structures called nematocysts. When a jellyfish comes into contact with prey, these stinging cells inject toxins, paralyzing or killing their target. Jellyfish don't hunt in the traditional sense. They simply drift through the water, waiting for food to come to them. Jellyfish behavior and feeding. Jellyfish eating plankton, or close-up shots of a jellyfish capturing prey. Jellyfish are opportunistic feeders, capturing plankton, small fish, and other microscopic organisms. Some species of jellyfish are even capable of capturing fish that are much larger than themselves. They don't have a digestive system like more complex animals. Instead, food enters their body through their mouth, and waste exits through the same opening. Jellyfish in a feeding frenzy. Their behavior is largely driven by instinct. They don't actively search for food. Instead, they drift with the currents, allowing their tentacles to passively collect prey. When food is detected, they sting, reel it in, and begin the slow process of digestion. Jellyfish and the environment. Jellyfish swimming in large numbers. Jellyfish play an important role in marine ecosystems. They help regulate populations of plankton, which are crucial to the food web. When jellyfish populations bloom, they can influence the entire marine ecosystem, from the smallest organisms to large predators. A jellyfish bloom in the ocean. In fact, jellyfish blooms have become more frequent in recent decades. Changes in ocean temperatures, overfishing, and nutrient pollution may all be contributing factors. While these blooms can be disruptive to local fishing industries, they are also a sign of the changing dynamics of our oceans. Jellyfish and humans. Jellyfish encountered by divers. Jellyfish on the beach. Jellyfish don't just affect marine life, they also impact human activities. Some jellyfish species are known for their painful stings, which can cause skin irritation, allergic reactions, or even more severe symptoms. In fact, jellyfish stings are responsible for thousands of injuries worldwide every year. Jellyfish stinging a diver's hand, a lifeguard treating a sting, and it's not just their stings that affect humans. Jellyfish blooms have been known to clog power plants, fishing nets, and even disrupt tourism. But despite these challenges, jellyfish also offer some unique benefits. Scientists studying jellyfish in labs. Some species of jellyfish are studied for their potential medical applications. The proteins found in certain jellyfish, like Equoria victoria, are used in bioluminescence research. This glowing protein has revolutionized scientific imaging, making it easier for researchers to track cellular processes. Fascinating facts about jellyfish. Now, let's dive into some fascinating facts about jellyfish that you might not know. 1. Jellyfish are older than dinosaurs. Jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years, making them older than the dinosaurs, mammals, and even the first trees. 2. Some jellyfish are biologically immortal. Certain species, like the Turritopsis dornii, are considered biologically immortal. They can revert their cells back to an earlier stage of development, effectively starting their life cycle anew. 3. Jellyfish have no brain, but can still navigate. Despite not having a brain, jellyfish are still capable of swimming and navigating through the water. They rely on a simple nerve net that allows them to detect light, temperature, and other environmental changes. Conclusion: jellyfish slowly floating, calm ocean. Jellyfish are some of the most ancient and enigmatic creatures in the world. Their beauty, simplicity, and adaptability have allowed them to survive for millions of years. And though they are often misunderstood, jellyfish are an essential part of marine ecosystems, influencing everything from plankton populations to human industries. So, the next time you see a jellyfish drifting through the water, take a moment to appreciate the silent, otherworldly creature that has been a part of our planet for so long. They are, in many ways, the ultimate symbol of the ocean's mystery and resilience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ocean wonders. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.